Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to delete your bio on Instagram. Whether you want to refresh your profile or simply remove outdated information, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile easily. Next, click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Instagram page, where all your posts and information are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. Tap on it to open up the options for editing your account details. This is where you can change various aspects of your profile, including your bio. Now find the section labeled Bio. Click on it to select the text currently in your bio. If you want to delete it entirely, simply highlight the text and press Delete. This step is crucial if you're looking to clear out any previous information that no longer represents you. After you've deleted the old bio, don't forget to click Done. This finalizes your changes and updates your profile with a clean slate. And that's it, you've successfully deleted your bio on Instagram. Remember, keeping your bio updated is a great way to reflect who you are and what you do. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media accounts effectively. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Instagram with a fresh new bio.